Okay, y'all, it seems like Ice Spice had to put hands on a fan after this fan slapped her. So Ice Spice was in LA and she decided to go to McDonald's and get her something to eat. It seemed like she was just chilling with her and her friend, and a fan came up to her basically talking to her. The fan tried to sit down next to the friend, and the friend did not move, and I guess that's where things escalated. And shortly after that, I guess Ice Spice and the girl started going back and forth, and then the girl asked Ice Spice where is she from. Ice Spice then says New York, but the girl was like she doesn't care where she's from and that she needs to start being respectful because according to this girl, because Ice Spice was being rude. Now honestly, I guess I can understand a little bit why Ice Spice is being rude. It looked like she was just chilling with her friend trying to get a bite to eat, and then the fan came up to her talking to her. Not only that, she wanted the friend to move so that she can sit there with him. So anyways, after this fan slaps Ice Spice, starts putting the hands back on the fan. Some dude comes and drags the girl out. Ice Spice ends up following them, and I guess the girl and her friend were about to get ready to leave, and I guess they heard Ice Spice talking trash about them, so they came back, and then next thing you know, they started fighting again. After this clip, Ice Spice ends up running into the guy that broke up the fight. Mind you, he has a big old biggie ball in his hand. He says that the girl was drunk and he don't know why she did that. And Ice Spice is obviously furious because she just got slapped in the face. And the dude is like, why are you acting like this? Calm down. And she's like, why do I need to calm down when I just got hit in the face? So Ice Spice ends up getting into it with this guy while he has a biggie ball in his hand, and she's basically like, you're 120 pounds, why do you want to fight me? But she's basically down to fight him. But why does he want to fight Ice Spice? She's basically just trying to defend herself after she done got mollywopped in the face. You gonna fight the Wait, calm down, let me fight her. Now, like I said, I guess this girl ended up hearing what Ice Spice was saying, and next thing you know, they ended up fighting again, and then Ice Spice was put on her behind after that. The young lady ended up doing an interview with TMZ, but what she's not saying is that she was drunk. Like, the dude that she was with even said that she was drunk. You can see a big old biggie ball in his hand, and as soon as she goes up to Ice Spice and her friend, she's talking about some shaking butt. It's not like, oh, hey, Ice Spice, I'm a fan, can I get a picture? The first thing she starts saying is y'all ready? Are y'all ready? And they're like, are you ready for what? And she's like, are y'all ready to shake y'all behind? And it's like, girl, you see I'm trying to eat.
So they escorted me. I'm like by my car, and I hear Ice Spice in the middle of the street talking about where is that bitch at? I want to fight her with you, woo woo. So I come back down the street, and then that's when me and her fought again.
It's like Vega, the girl that attacked Ice Spice, will be getting charged. So Ice Spice's lawyer told TMZ that Ice Spice was attacked unprovoked, and that they reported this to LAPD, and they will pursue all charges. Like, they're going to try to charge her criminally and civilly, and they also want McDonald's to be held accountable and responsible for not having the appropriate security. Now, honestly, I feel like this incident was probably bad on both ends. It seems like Ice Spice was just chilling and she wanted something to eat, and old girl seemed like she was drunk. Like I said, you can see the dude that she was with, he had a biggie ball. They was obviously drinking, and maybe she was just trying to have fun with Ice Spice, but like I said, Ice Spice is sitting there chilling and trying to eat, and when you drunk, things happen. When you drunk, somebody could probably say something and you take it another way when they didn't mean it that way because you're intoxicated, and you know, things can get intense when you're intoxicated. But anyways, moving on to the next topic, it seems like Offset is pissed off at Noriega, Jason Lee, and probably Quavo and Cardi B. So the other day, Noriega was on Jason Lee's podcast, and he talked about how Offset was on his podcast, and he basically cut out the clip where he answered whether or not he slept with Saweetie while he was married to Cardi B.
Because like we're dipping into a conversation where it seems like me and Offset had beef. Like, we didn't have beef. Like, what it was he asked me for a certain thing that I actually did. I just didn't do it.
You took out the question of whether or not Offset slept with Saweetie.
Absolutely.
You took that question out.
Absolutely.
And you still have that footage.
Absolutely.
And you have the answer.
Absolutely.
But
and
you
I respected man code.
Okay. And took it out.
Absolutely.
Would you sell it?
Nope.
To me?
Nope.
To Cardi?
Nope.
To Saweetie?
But it depends on y'all. How much y'all offer?
We can-
Nah, hell no. Offset, I got
But
your
you
back.
are the only person right now
would have done that.
that has the answer.
No, and guess what? You still ain't gonna get the answer.
Who was on set with you that day? Because you be having a lot of people in the background. Can we pay them? No. Okay, no, we won't do that. But so you asked the question.
By mistake. I didn't know.
But you asked the question.
Yes, I did.
And you got the answer.
Yes, I did.
But then you cut it out.
Yes.
And you held on to it.
To this day.
Because of the bro code.
Now, this went viral on social media because everybody can put two and two together, and everybody got four. Why would Offset want the clip cut out of the interview if he didn't admit to sleeping with Saweetie? So that's what everybody figured. Everybody used context clues. Like, there's no other reason you would want that cut out unless you said, yes, you slept with Saweetie. So last night, Offset posted on his Instagram story and said, I hate you ninjas with all my heart. And then he said they trying to ruin me, but they can't. So I don't know exactly who he hates in this instance. Maybe it's Noriega, Jason Lee, since, you know, Noriega answered that question. Now everybody thinks that he actually slept with Saweetie. Some people feel like he's saying that towards Quavo, since Quavo is out here supporting Cardi B. And I mean, some people feel like Quavo is actually out here supporting Cardi B because he knows what happened between him, Offset, Cardi B, and Saweetie, with Offset allegedly sleeping with Saweetie. And they feel like, you know, Quavo is supporting her because Offset did something wrong, and hey, he's still going to support her. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this.
And drag.
Hey, don't jump her.
recently got popped upside the head at a Hollywood, California McDonald's. The entire situation started after a girl and her friends claimed that they were having a day at the beach, went to the McDonald's after the beach and saw Ice. After she walked up to Ice and tried to compliment her, Ice called her a B, resulting in Ice getting popped upside the head.
Us to leave, you could have just politely said, oh, I'm not in the mood or something, right? Instead of just yelling at me. I hit her. So.
Obviously upset Ice, she began yelling at everybody, eventually spilled to outside the McDonald's where Ice began yelling, saying how she wanted to go heads up with the girl.
Let me say her. Wait.
Apparently the girl heard this, went back to go heads up with Ice Spice, resulting in Ice Spice getting put on her bum, which is absolutely crazy. Now, if you ask me, she put up a much better fight than Jada Waiter, because when she initially got popped, she sprung to the top of that McDonald's booth, and she was on top of them tables. She was not about to let that girl get on top of her. At least give her kudos for that, and she was standing up for herself and standing her ground. Now, Brenda, on the other hand, was not about that life. She was looking like a deer in the headlights. You Ice wish she was still hanging out with Cleo Trapper now. Absolutely crazy. I cannot believe these girls are out here throwing bows like this. These entertainers better start getting some powers, get some better security, because this is absolutely crazy. First Jada Waiter at the club, now Ice Spice at McDonald's. This is a lot. I'm curious to know what y'all think regarding this. Like I said, in my opinion, she did a much better job than Jada, even though she got popped upside the head, which she admitted in the video, and she got put on her butt, which we saw in the video. Let me know what y'all think.
Ice Spice was attacked while eating in a McDonald's in LA. Some random girl walked up to her and started asking her repetitively, where are you from? Where are you from? And she was posturing like she was going to do something to Ice Spice, and eventually she swung on Ice Spice. I think Ice Spice probably realized what was going to go on, but as like a star, she has to play carefully. She can't swing on anybody first because lawsuits could just happen out of nowhere. But this girl swings on him, and then it looks like afterwards, the boyfriend of this girl or somebody like close to this girl tried to separate it, but then Ice Spice was like upset and wanted to fight this girl, but then that guy started saying that he was going to intervene if something happened, and then Ice Spice is like, you want to fight a girl? And it got like very messy, but then this jump cut in the footage and you actually see Ice Spice fighting this girl, and you don't exactly see what happens, but you do see Ice Spice stumble on the floor, and then she looked extremely mad at the guy, and it seemed like maybe he might have intervened somehow, and it might not have been like completely fair against her. Obviously she wasn't expecting to be getting into a fight just because she's famous or this or that. She was just casually eating food, and we don't know exactly what happened, but it doesn't look like she deserved that. So I want to know